We're on Palm Beach Island. Everything got wet, lots of mold damage.
Oops, somebody left the water running.
Well, who's the idiot that did it?
Yeah. All tore up. Hey, look at this machination, shacked up, glued and screwed.
Yep, lots of work getting done at this house because of an unfortunate accident. And it was because of this guy, the maintenance guy, left the water going and the second floor flooded, causing lots of damage in this house. So we are here to do lots of demo in this video and fix stuff. The homeowner decided to do a whole kitchen remodel, which is what we're doing here, taking out stairs and a bathroom because of an unfortunate water accident. So here we are demoing the stair portion on the upstairs second floor. Just taking apart this weird enclosure somebody had previously built for a second stair entry from the previous kitchen. Didn't quite make sense, so we're just removing all this. And yeah, took away all the electrical, all the vents and everything, and then just cut it down with a circular saw and a reciprocating saw, and then it's just demo everything, rip apart all the sheetrock, kind of cut away all of the electrical we can find. We took out a beam too and replaced two larger beams, an 8-inch beam and then a 14-inch beam, and then yeah, we had to put in a steel post. So we demoed all of the all the stairs. We put up shoring, and then yeah, we got to building. We built a platform for a new pantry, so that's what we're doing here. Framed it all in, just screwed everything together, and threw down some plywood, and then on to kind of this is the build out where we're building the new back of where the range is going. I had to cut out a little extra, demo some concrete, kind of level it all off, fill that hole. Yeah, you know, basic construction demo stuff, and then yeah, onto the build. Here's where you can see in the top we've already got the beam up there. The two brand new post steel columns are in gray, and we put in that 14-inch LVL up above. Yeah, we just screwed everything together based off the plans, and then pretty simple project. We did a lot of work cut up because they changed a bunch of stuff in this house, so we're kind of all over the place. Kitchens, bathrooms, laundry rooms. Yeah, I think this is the homeowner's second house. It's not their primary home, so, and we're on Palm Beach Island here, so. And here we are. We had to actually take this out and fill this hole with concrete. We forgot a hole and had to fill that. And yeah, filled concrete kind of on the right side where that hole is right there. I'm going to fill that, and then I'm going to come and fill that, and yeah, on to other parts of this project. Yeah, we were all over the place on this project, doing beams, columns, floor. We'll be doing lots of trim in here eventually after they get to the finished stage. So, and then I'll do another video on that. But this is just the pretty much demo and rebuild part of the kitchen.
All right, quick recap of yesterday's work. We framed in this wall here for the pantry. We put in these steel studs for the ceiling because that's what they wanted. And we framed in these 2x4s for the chase for the top of the kitchen. And we're currently lasering over to get our elevation for the pantry. So we got our first step, and then there's going to be an elevated floor where that green treat is back there, about 6 inches into the back of the pantry. In the front is actually going to be where the Sub-Zero fridge and freezer is, as you can see right here. We're doing a 36-inch fridge, a 30-inch freezer. Here's the finished product. This is what she'll look like when she's done. So we're currently getting this step elevation, which is going to be about 6 inches. So this opens into the pantry, the fridge, 36-inch Sub-Zero, and then a 30-inch freezer will be in the front, and then you'll kind of go behind to the back. As you can see here, this actually is not right, but that's where you go back behind. So, and then today we are going to do this 9.5-inch stub wall, 42 inches, and then another wall, floor to ceiling, and then this floor is going to be at 42 inches above finished floor to the ceiling because they're putting a cabinet under there.
That's it for the demo portion of this job, and we will do another update video when we get on to the finished carpentry portion. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next build.